Hey guys, welcome back to another JavaScript tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be explaining how to create custom events and custom event listeners. Right. So basically what you can use these for is to just kind of break up your code, and it allows you to sort of destructure your code and make it easier if you're creating a library or package to for other people to use your code. I'll show you guys what I mean by that. So let's just create a script, and let's also just create a script if I can spell it right. Let's link the script in like so, and now let's open it. Oh, that's the wrong thing. I'm looking for custom event listeners. There we go. Okay, so let's open up the terminal here, and let me just increase that like so. So what I mean by custom event listeners is we have the usual events. So a usual event would be something like document.body.onClick or something. So every time the click event is called, something's going to happen. Like let's just say console.log clicked, and yeah, let me just defer this. Alright, so now whenever we click the body, we're going to get a thing, I believe. Oh, what has happened here? I guess this is not happening. Okay, let me just do something like on key down or something, just so. Okay, yeah, so not too sure what's happening there, but I'm assuming it's because the body element was not taking up the whole screen. I'm assuming it was capped over here, but yeah, so basically whenever there's a key down, you can see that this event gets fired. So let's say we want an event which is fired every time we click just the spacebar. So just the spacebar. Well, what we can do is, first thing we can do is, let's just say detect for spacebar, and to do that we could do if we're going to take in the event like so, and then we do if e.key pressed, I believe, and if we do like the space, we can console.log spacebar clicked, else we're going to print other key clicked. Now what we can do is we can differentiate between a spacebar and another key like so. Now I'm actually going to show you guys how to create the custom event. So first thing you want to do is we want to create an event object. Let's just call this spacebar clicked event, and we can use the event keyword constructor, and we just give it a name. So this is kind of like this is just your event identifier. We'll just call it spacebar clicked, and now we can initiate a new event using this object. So what we can do is we can dispatch an event. So we can just use the body element, but this can be from any element, and you basically just do dispatch event and pass in this event like so. So right now nothing's going to happen, but what we're going to see is if I were to get rid of this text, so right now if I click the spacebar, nothing happens at all, but I can call for this event. So let's attach another event listener to the body. Let's say add event listener, and we're going to use the same spacebar clicked event, linking a callback like so. And now what we can do is we can say console.log spacebar clicked, this is fired from a custom event. Alright, actually sent is a better word. Okay, so now other key clicked, and when we click the spacebar we get this like so. So yeah, this is really useful. All we need to do to fire this event is to send out a dispatch event using this. So you can see how this could be super useful. to make it easy, so let's say this code and this code was segregated, and you know, this is just like, let me just put a big line through here like so. So let's say this was the like developer which is using your package code, like this is all they see, and on the inside this is what someone like you, the package maker, are actually making. It makes it easy for the developer because they don't have to attach anything to functions. For example, for a callback function, you could use this as a callback function rather than asking them to specify a callback function, and it's just a lot easier because you can use JavaScript's native event handlers rather than trying to create your own thing. So yeah, that was how you create custom events. It was very simple. All you do is you create your event here, you then dispatch it, probably through the body since that's the easiest way, and then you can just do it like const element, this is your element which you're targeting, and you can just attach the event listener like so. So yeah, that's exactly how you use a custom event listener in JavaScript. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye!